Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see how to use Python ideally. So before that we will see what is meant by ideally. So here ideally means integrated development environment. So what is meant by integrated development environment? So when you are developing any application you need a code editor to write code, then you need a code runner to run that code or execute that code, and whatever the output of that program, so that will be visible on the console. So these tools you need for development, and all these three tools are integrated, means bundled together in one environment, so that is called integrated development environment. So here we are going to see Python's default ideally, means that comes with Python installation. So when you use this Python ideally, so in this ideally you can write Python code in two modes. So first one is interactive mode, so that is also called IPython, and another one is script mode, means here you are writing Python program files. So we will see practically how to use Python ideally in these two modes. Now we will see how to use Python ideally. So first you need to open that. So you have to go here, start, and here I have multiple versions of Python. So I will use latest one. So that is 3.12. So you have to click on this, or you what you can do. So as you are going to frequently use this ideally, so you can create its shortcut on taskbar, so pin to taskbar, so that is also you can do. And I will click on this. Now it will open Python ideally, right? So this is the Python ideally. So here it is written ideally shell, right? What I have told you, so you can use Python in two modes, that is interactive mode, that is IPython, and script mode. First we will see interactive mode, that is IPython. So interactive, so if we are saying people are interacting with each other, means they are talking with each other, right? So in the same way, so here you are writing the code, and that will get executed at the command line only, means interactive is there, means you are writing code and directly you are getting its output. So that is called interactive mode. So where you have to write that code, so this is the shell, and here if you write print hello world, right, and if I press enter, so here directly this code will get executed, means this is the interactive shell. So this is the interactive shell, and when you write code in this interactive shell, so this is the IPython, that is interactive Python. So here you can write all the code. For example, I want to do addition of two numbers, so I will take here two numbers, then I can take its addition, a plus b and C, right? So whatever Python code you can write, all the code you can write in this integrated, sorry, in IPython. But there is problem with this IPython. So if I close this IPython shell, so and if I open it again, so you will see that whatever your code you have written, so that is vanished, means we can't store that code. Means if you want to do practice, Python practice, that at that time you can use this interactive Python, but when you want to do development you can't use this interactive Python. So this is the interactive Python, that is IPython mode of using Python, right? So what we will do, we will see script mode. In script mode what you can do, you can create Python file, and your code will be saved there in that file, and whenever you want to run, you can run that file. So here I will click on this. So how to create new file in Python, so you have to go here in file, so this is file menu, then you have to click on new file. So now here new blank file is open. Here untitled is there, means you haven't given any title to this file. So I will write here Python code, right? So now here I want to save this file. So directly you can click on run also. If you click on run, so it will ask you to first save this file. I will click on this run module. So it is asking me to save this file. So you have to click on OK. So now here it is showing the Python installation folder for saving this file. Don't ever save your file here, right? So what you have to do for saving your file, you have to create another folder in D or E drive. So for that I have created folder on D drive. So here Python practice folder I have created. Here you have to give file name. You can give any file name. So I will give hello_world. So I have given this. So no need to give .py. So automatically it will take .py. So .py means that is Python file. So all Python files are having .py extension. So I will click on save. Now it has run this file, right? So now here hello world, it is visible, right? So in this way, so this is the script you have created. So whatever your Python code file you have created here, this hello_world.py, so this is the Python script, means Python program you have written, and uh, you have run that. So this is your Python file. Now it is saved permanently in that folder. So whenever you want to run, you can run this. So the problem with interactive Python is you can't save that code, but in script mode you can save that code, and whenever you want to run that file, you can run, right? So in this way you can use Python ideally in two modes, IPython and script mode. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and